Yo, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. How are you guys doing, man? What's up? Welcome back. It's actually very late right now as I react to this song. I should be sleeping, but I feel like if I don't do this, I won't be able to sleep. How are you guys doing? It's been a minute since I reacted to Angola music. It's been a minute since I reacted to music, period. But back, baby. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Hopefully I don't fall asleep while I'm doing this because, you know, I had a rough night last night and today, as I'm saying, it's very late. So let's get to the song. Let me see. Socorro featuring Gerilson, Insrael. The name of the song is Ntima, which I believe is gonna be in native. It's not gonna be in Portuguese per se, or maybe it's gonna be in Portuguese, but it's all the way from Angola, man. For those of you who don't know Gerilson Insrael, I feel like Africa by now should know Gerilson Insrael, just like we know Diamond Platinums and who are Better Boy and Rema, all those guys, all those big names coming from Africa. I feel like these are the names that we should be knowing as well from Angola, because yo, it's beautiful, beautiful videos, beautiful music. If you're here for the first time, did I say that? Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too. This is fire, man.
Socorro, socorro, Gerilson.
Some African, that's like some African stuff, like, you know, stereotypical African things. This is what is going on in this video. Let me know if you are from Angola, what the song is all about, please. This is a beautiful video, but the quality obviously is immeasurable.
Procurei lá fora, não tive resposta. Filha da minha sogra, única que me completa. Eu já tive todas, mas não tive nada. Só tu tens a fórmula certa pra me concentrar. É tu aí, o teu nome no meu coração é como de amigos demais.
Yeah, I think Ntima is hot because I hear him saying corazon. I know a little bit of few words in Spanish, which also like sometimes they overlap with Portuguese, so don't think that I know this. That's like a historical church. Hold on, my camera. Let me or Socorro present as if he has like he could be blind. I'm not mistaken. I'm like I don't mean this in like a rude way, but he just looks like he could be blind. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Yo, beautiful stuff, beautiful video, man. All the way from Angola. I feel like Africa is sleeping on Angola. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, there's a lot we can learn from there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said earlier, if you're here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. And if you are African and you watch that video and this is the first time watching Angola music, I encourage you to watch more of their music. It's really beautiful what they do out there, and obviously they are more in the progressive side, so yeah, just be careful some of the videos, you know what I mean? So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the other side.